Happy Sunday, Toppers family! It's time again for my top 5 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! This was tough. This was probably the toughest selection I have ever had to make. And no doubt about that, it was really tough. And I mean, I don't know. See yourself. Without further ado, let's go into this. I'm showing off my top 5 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA, and I would like to start with my 5th place. Super clean. It came out absolutely fantastic. The Houston Oilers. I like those retro NFL hats, and those metallics are absolutely crazy. 75th anniversary side patch, and then you got this sparkling metallic red, metallic blue-gray in the front, a blue button on the top, and look at this beautiful vintage NHL shield on the back, also super shiny. I absolutely like how this hat came out. My 5th place this week, gray UV, black guts. Beautiful hat. So, and now it was really tough, right? So I'm going ahead. I'm just going ahead, and you let me know in the comments what you think about, and if you agree or completely disagree what I have selected this week. Okay, guys? This is very important. Let me know in the comments below if you agree or disagree, and if you disagree, let me know which hats you would have put into the top 5 this week. So, my 4th place this week, NCAA. Oh my God, look at this beautiful Texas Longhorns Alpine green. We got this rust visor, and then this logo in the front looks so gorgeous with the metallic copper outline. And you can already say that this orange, this rust orange, is also metallic. It's super shiny. Then we got the national champion side patch, which is amazing. So many details in there. And then you also got the University of Texas logo on the back. Beautiful hat. And the addition was to make a real tree UV on this beauty, which makes it really special. This is my 4th place this week. So my 3rd place this week is from one of our neighbors just here, just around the corner. A team which is very close to our warehouse. It's the Hartford Yard Goats, and this beauty came out fantastic. Another coffee edition for the Dunkin' Park where they are playing in that Dunkin' colors, and then we added this 10 years anniversary side patch, and those metallics on this side patch, they are really next level. And look at the goat. This thing is shiny, pops off so great on this black dome with this coffee brown button visor, and then you got the Dunkin' Park script on the back. Gray UV, black guts, my 3rd place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. So my 1st place this week was a special drop on Monday, and I would like to give shout outs to NewEra, to my rep, when we were able to make this Compton script on this black hat. Very iconic with the Compton, California side patch. And we added the special touch on this one. You got the Toppers T on the back. Super clean hat, and I really like how it came out. All black, and this script in the front, the embroidery on the script is absolutely amazing. Gray UV, black guts. This is my 2nd place this week. So, my 1st place this week is a hockey hat. Probably you can already guess, because it took me a while to get this done. And I really like how it came out, because it's a hook to one of my favorite jerseys of all time. And this was a great idea. I hope that the retro reverse are coming back. And look at this beautiful interpretation from the Florida Panthers. And this came out absolutely amazing. All these colors go so well together. I mean, this is a very loud hat, right? There's sparkling colors on there, but look at this, how crazy good this yellow in the front pops off with the metallic gold and the metallic copper. If you have this hat in hand, there are so many details, and that's a nice thing, right? What I absolutely love. When you guys get the hats, you see all these details that we care about on these hats, and it came out so good. I really like how it came out. I'm absolutely proud of that hat, and I love that side patch too. And then you got this, look at this, how flashy the NHL shield is on the back. Gray UV, black guts. This is my first place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. As I already said, let me know in the comments below what you think about those 5 hats. Do you agree with my selection, or did you pick other hats? Fair enough, I really want to know it. Let's have a discussion in the comments below. If you like the channel and you're always watching our videos, I highly appreciate that. If you have not hit the subscribe button so far, please hit the subscribe button. It will help the channel a lot, and it's totally free, and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. And of course, if you like my selection, I would also appreciate if you hit the like button on the video. Tomorrow we are back with another episode of Cap Talk, episode 204, and it would be absolutely great if you guys tune in again. This is going to be a lot of fun, and I'm showing off all the fitted hats that are dropping this week or the upcoming week at Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you can enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'll do so. I'm out. Bye.